Howdy y'all, Fast Force 289. I just want to show y'all this. This is one of the Christmas gifts I bought for my mom's car, her 2011 Ford Edge. And I bought these SmartLiner floor mats for the car. I'm very impressed with them. I just installed them and they fit like a glove. They are really nice and they grip really good too. Like, they ain't slick or nothing on your shoes. Your shoes grip pretty good to it, so you don't have to worry about your shoes slipping. And even come with the snaps to hold it down in place on the driver's side. But look how just well it fits around the seat and everything. It's very nice. Turned out very nice. And then, of course, the passenger side. And I also bought the rear as well. And it turned out very nice. I mean, it really does feel like a glove, and I'm very pleased with it. I was a little concerned. I want to say this is set, and it came with the very back to the cargo area, but I got it covered up with the stuff that was back there now. But I want to say it was like $200, maybe $250 for the whole thing, and I was a little concerned on how well the quality would be, and it's actually very nice. I'm impressed with it. I think it's worth it. So, you know, if they had this for my old vehicles, I'd put them in there, but they don't make it that far back. So, but it's something to consider if y'all ever need some good floor mats. It's really nice, and it comes up to the side here, so you can vacuum this out. Makes it very easy to clean up. You spill something or just regular dirt, sand, grass, whatever, it's easy to clean out. Now that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Have a nice night.